Sanibonani. Siyaphila thina, sikhona. Ezinhlezi khonapha ngiyacabanga ngithi ake ngiyirekhode le nkulumo ngoba ngibona nje umhlaba ngathi usume ngenye indlela. Not ngendlela yenkolo kodwa ngendlela nje yokubuka nje ukuhamba kwawo. Ngoba e-church bazokhuluma ngokunye bethi insuku zokugcina nani. But ngifuna siyibuke on the other perspective. Ngoba angithi asikholwa sonke kodwa siyaphila sonke emhlabeni ngalo. Yazi bengibuka ukuthi izinto zize zonakale nje zibe nje so emhlabeni la njengoba nje kuphithizela nje kungasela order, umunye ubulala omunye uhlukumeza omunye nganoma yiphi indlela nje ungayicabanga uhlukumeza. Into enginanzelelayo ukuthi abake basebenza amakhampani bayawazi ukuthi kube khona indlela bathi indlela okwenza izinto within the company. Okunye baye bakubize ngesilungu kuthiwa standard operating procedure and all those things. The way abayibiza ngakhona depending on i-company. Ama-language abafani okwenza izinto ngokwamakhampani okuhlukahlukana. You find the very same thing bayibiza ngegama elehlukeneyo kwenye ikhampani. Indlela yabo yokwenza izinto. Sort of ipolitiki ine-language yayo nayo ebuye ikhulume ngayo izinto njalo. Right, izolo I came across omunye usisi kusho ukuthi thina sibuye sisebenza imisebenzi yokuthutha abantu, sifonele emahhotela ahlukahlukeneyo. I know sine-customer isuka from this place to this place. Ngeminye imisebenzi esiyenza ukuthi sithole imali siphile siye phambili. Sikhona kakhulu kwi-transport, different things nje sizenzayo kwi-transport business. So izolo ngithola i-call Melrose Arch, Marriott Hotel. I had to pick up a customer from that hotel to Joburg South. Abanye bayazi that side of Obumondio, Basonia, lezo ndawo lezo, Johannesburg South. So mangifika lapha ngithola usisi, young lady, very young, beautiful, a short lady, you know. Sesiyaqala nje siyaxoxa, uyabingelela naye, right? Hayi nami ngi-right, kube ingxoxo nje, kuye kubingelelana nje okujwayelekileyo. Hayi siqala uhambo lwethu sibheke ngale, sesiyaqala nje siyaxoxa, just open conversation. Useqala ke usethi kimi, hey driver, ngiyafisa nje ukuthi ke ngikuxoxele enye indaba engidlayo ngaphakathi. Uyabo, ngoba nami ngiyazithanda ke indaba kodwa notheza abantu indaba nje ngizixoxelwayo from different experience ye life ngabantu and all that. Noise abantu, no, don't bring it here. Angifuni umuntu ozohleba umuntu athi hey ubani this that. I'm not into that. Akaze ngihlebe umuntu futhi angifuni umuntu ontshela ngomuntu into ezipersonal and all that. But ngiyathanda nje indaba ezisocial, uyabo. So aqala ngixoxele, sesiyabuzana nje ukuthi wenza nje ngokwempilo, nami sengiyamchazela no I'm into this and this and that and that and that and that. Nale business siyayenza but we've got other things we're doing. Uyabo, siyaxoxa nje. Shuthi sengilijika ke umbuzo sengubhekisa ngakuye. Lathi mfethu, you know, I'm doing something that I never thought I would find myself doing it. Into ebengicriticize ngisha ngichitha ngayo yonke indlela. nginyanya umuntu oyenzayo ngimnyanya ngayo yonke indlela ongayicabanga, understand. Bese ngithi no, share yini le oyenzayo ebonakala ekukhathaza kangaka. Ethi mfethu, I'm on the street. Ngithi no, unpack it. If you saying you're on the street, uyancisha le ndaba, ngifuna ukuthi uyicacise kwenzela ukuthi ngikwazi uku-understanda, uyabo. Ebesethi ebesethi ibithanda ukumzimela naye ukuthi ayibeke iqonde, ngoba ngahle kahle ngathi ludaba olungaphezulu kwamandla akhe. Ebese sithi ngidila ngemali. Ngibe sengithi mina mawuthi udila ngemali usho ukuthini phela, ngoba everyone osebenzayo udila ngemali, uyabo. So ngicela uzama ungenzela isense mawuthi udila ngemali. Ebesethi ngisebenza amadoda, uyangibhuka and all that, and then we spend time together, what. How nami kungathi kuyanshaqisa, ngoba bekubonakala njengentombazana nje decent mombhekile, intombi ongayethemba, mhlambe ngokwelimi lesikhathi esithiwa i-wife material. Ngokwelimi lesikhathi esolusetshenziswa lesimanje kuye kuthiwa hayi wife material, abanye bethi linina, whatever you can call it, abanye babiza ngezindlela ezihlukahlukene, abanye bathi limama, abanye what, yabo. So sibe sesiqala ke sesiludingida udaba, sengifuna ukubuka ukuthi uzazithole kule situation isukaphi lento. Aqala ngichazela ukuthi angisabhiliveli ethandweni, ngoba uthando instead of ukuthi lunijabulise lunizwise buhlungu many times, uzombonisa nje nenxeba ndibizana ngesilungu, but iska or iska, something like that ngesilungu naso sometimes, inxeba nje lithile la nelinye eliphezulu kwehlo, athi ngalinyazwa ngumuntu owayethi uyangithanda. Yila engavele khona ngaligeza ke ijesi lokuthandana, ngoba ngabona ukuthi ayilento ngathi ayisebenzi noma ayikho kahle for me, ngoba mayichaza uthi uthandane nokuqala wesilisa ukuqala kwangahamba kahle, wahlukumezeka, ugayi wajola and all that, wamhlukumeza, wamshaya kanjani, walala engekho, fonela intombi phambi kwakhe, and all those painful things ebezisenzeka within the relationship. Fine, uthi wahlukana nalo, even though it wasn't easy, she moved to the second one. Uthi into yababuhlungu kakhulu kwakungathi mayehlukana nalo lo amtholayo, ufika aqhubeke la ukugcine khona lo aqeda ukuphuma kuye. Hayi lo abe wesi kakhulu lo mutsha, abe wesi kakhulu. Uthi ngingakutshela futhi ukuthi lo wesibili sathola ingane, ngihlala naye endlini kodwa wayengayondla ingane, esebenza ehola imali kodwa engayondla ingane, engihlukumeza, ehamba nezintombi, esenza yonke into, make sure ukuthi uyangidestroya nje kuyaphela ngami, kodwa ungilande ngiziphilela impilo yami la bengiphila khona nganankinga, wangiletha empilweni yakhe, ngamzalela ingane, uyangijikela manje ungenza lento. Uthi for the third time lo engamtholayo, ngoba ngishilo nje ukuthi kwakungathi lo ufika aqhubeke la agcine khona, sengathi bayatshelana laba abantu ngoba bayazana ukuthi lo ugcinela lo ufuneka afika take over naye akwenze continuously adlulele, you understand. So uthi emva kwalo uwagcina emshaya wamlimaza, yila athatha khona isinqumo sokuthi akasayi kuqhubeka ngalento yokuthandana. Usethi zenzeka zonke lezi zinto ukuthi ngiyathandaza, ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu, ngenza konke okufanele enkonzweni, angijoli, anginazo izinto ezithene engizenza eceleni eziphambene, ngifocusile nje empilweni, impilo yami nje bengizihlelela ukuthi ngizoyakha kahle. Fine. So uthi emva kwalokho ngazibuza ukuthi uphi uNkulunkulu lo engimthandaza kangaka ma impilo ingenza kanje. Ngilimele, ngibe ne-depression, ngibe ngavuka esibhedlele, ngiyo yonke into ongayicabanga nje ehlukumezekile. Uthi mangithi ngiyabheka abazali abasekho, ngisele nosisi bami ababili abancane basafunda isikole, efamilini things are not going well, abanye bayas-understand the family things and all that. Depending ngefamily obuya kuyo, some families are united, but most of the families esikhathini samanje there is a lot of things happening. Instead of our family to come together, bayamakana bodwa, doing all those things. I think abanye they know what I mean. Bayibonile within their families and kwamanye ama-families abawabonile. Uthi ngazama umsebenzi, ngaphuma kulo muntu, khumbula senginengane nosisi bami abancane, sibhajiwe manje, indlela eyaphambili ayikho. Ngazama umsebenzi, ngafika emsebenzini, ngasebenza, manager yesilisa naye nenhloso zayo, ifuna uku-achieve whatever you want to achieve ngendlela yayo, is suppressing me on the other side, uyangishela and all that. If ngingavumi, make sure ukuthi life yami nje banzima kakhulu la emsebenzini. Uthi ngathi kathi amadoda anjani, uthi ngathi kathi amadoda anjani. Uthi that's when mangiyeka lo msebenzi, that's when I took a decision yokuthi ngoba sengihlele ekhaya ngasawuthola umsebenzi. And then I get tempted. There was this guy wangishela online kuzo lezi zinto zama social media and all those things. Uthi but sengiyasaba manje ungena othandweni. Kodwa nomsebenzi angiwutholi phela manje. Kodwa ngiyabona lo guy because bonke babuya ngendlela efanayo, the time esakufuna bakhuluma beze bekhala izinyembezi abafana. Uthi lo guy aqala ukungisendela imali, all those things, you know, angisendela imali, angifakela imali, ayiphuma nawe uyojabula and all these things. Uthi kodwa ezwe enhlizweni yakhe ukuthi ngoba ma kushelwana lo oshelayo kumele abe nendlela yokwazi ukuconvince lo amshelayo, kube khona inhlansi yothando ayokhela enhlizweni yalo, ukwenza phela uthando lukwazi ukuchuma, kukwazi ukuthi kube ne relationship. Uthi nakuba lo guy senze konke engifakela imali and all that, inhliziyo yami yehluleka ukuthi yokheleke lenhlansi le kumele bekhona ukuthi mina nayisithanda. Uthi I felt nothing engithintayo ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuthi ngim-accept as my boyfriend. Uthi that's when this guy said, okay, let's be friends with benefits. Uthi she didn't know ukuthi lento into enjani and all those things. Uthi that's how this thing started. They met, this guy gave her 2,500 rand, and then the guy was like asking for favors and all those things. That's when this thing started. That's how this thing started. You know, and then she find herself in this thing now. So now she's on the street doing this business. So into yami ila, ngibuke ukuthi kuma relationships angu9 kwangu10, 9 out of 10 yama relationships ungathi uyananzelela amadoda yiwo aba imbangela ukuchitheka kwemishado noma kokubhidliwa kwama relationships. Ngokwami ukubuka ubuka 9 out of 10 kwaba ngu10 ungathola ukuthi kweyodwa relationship yilapho esingathi umfazi akaziphathanga kahle, uphuma esandleni kwenzakala this and that, naye lingekile ngendlela yakhe alingeke ngayo. But kwangu9 hayi amadoda siphumile esandleni, hayi amadoda siphumile esandleni, ngoba izwe linjena nje thina njenganamadoda sehlulekile ukuthi senze lento bekufanele siyenze, into ebesidalelwe nguNkulunkulu ukuthi siyenze siphumile esandleni. But oftentimes we like to push the blame, sibhekise on the other side to keep ourselves comfortable of doing whatever we are doing. You can argue with anyone, but deep down amadoda siyona la emhlabeni. Kuningi impela singakwenzi kahle okulidela ukuthi umhlaba uzube njengakhona. So lo sithi usethi kimi, if benguNkulunkulu to judge me, bewuzoblame abantu, bewuzoblame mina noma bewuzoblame labantu abangiphushe ukuthi ngize ngicine sengikule situation. Ngoba oftentimes ngokwakubuka kwasemhlabeni, for example ake sithi umuntu ubulela omunye umuntu, kuyaye kugijinywe kujajwe lo obulele lo, kodwa uma kungahlalwa phansi ngesinye isikhathi nalo obulele lo akutshela ukuthi lo obulewe wenza umonakalo ongakanani empilweni yalo ombulele. Sometimes ungathi hayi kumfanele, nakuba ungekho ufanele uyikufa phela, ngoba umuntu wonke ufanele unelungelo lokuthi aphile. But uma ungathi uyabheka umonakalo asuka sewudalile ukuze lo ambulale, ngesinye isikhathi nawe ungabona ukuthi hey, ngoba phela izinto eziningi sigcina sesibona imphumela kodwa isisusa asisazi. Nakuba we are not condoning violence ukuthi abantu abalimazana and all that, lokho I'm against khona, but it's very important ukuthi abantu abaphila iqiniso, umuntu angazifaki entweni angasoze ayikwanise. Abantu baphile impilo eyifake isikhathi eside, that's why uyathola umuntu omthembayo ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakho, kodwa uthi uyafika ekhaya lakhe, is not a good parent or is not a good father or mother, you know. But emsebenzini or esontweni lakho la ukhonza naye khona umuntu ohlonishwayo ngayo yonke indlela, because lento yokwenza kahle, yokuthi umuntu enze kahle isikakhulukazi emasontweni, siyaphenduka i-character, ngathi kuya-actor, you know. Emsebenzini umuntu ngubrother sibanibani, esontweni ungu-apostle, whatever, madam, whatever. But in real life, hey, mawungasumbone la phila khona, uphinde umbone nasesontweni, hey, ungabona ukuthi hey uya-actor la ngaphandle, hey. ungabona ukuthi kuya-act. Kodwa if you were to make it a lifestyle, ubuntu nje, uphilisana ngeqiniso, sikwenze nje kube yi-lifestyle. Sengivala lo muntu ngoba ehlukunyeze ngazo zonke indlela, kuwo wonke amakhona lapha athi ubalekela khona, ufika hlangabezana nembila sithutha. If wena ubungunkulunkulu ume esihlalweni sokujaja noma sokwahlulela, ngubani obengasolwa kulokho? Ubungasola yena lo sisi, noma ubungasola imbangela eyilamadoda amhlukumeze waze wagcina esezithola on this wrong side of life. Ngoba masimbuka uqale kahle lo muntu, but indlela luhambile luze lwagcina lumenza aphendukele kuleli vangeli elisesayidini elirongo lempilo, through laba abantu bemele bamvikele. You understand? So I think singamadoda nje sengivala, I think ikhona la kumele sizinike khona amakhwapha and do things right, because having this one today, kusasa sushintshile, you are having this one the next 2 months suqala sufaka ama excuse, she's this, what subali amabalabala, because you trying ukuthi unembeza wakhe bhayisikele ukuthi kube khona sengathi nokhona wena ungenziwanga kahle, that's why when you doing whatever you're doing, even though kungekho umuntu 100%, but kufuneka understand ukuthi we must have a way of doing things, of resolving, to move forward. We can't keep on living mase kunenkinga wena uyahamba manje what you are not doing this, you understand what I mean, because we keep on excusing. So I think kumele sichintshe. Siyabonga bafowethu, siyabonga. Nami ngithi nje ke ngixoxe ongaphakathi kwami nendlela embuka khona impilo. I am a very concerned human being. I'm not perfect, nami nginamaflop amabhaya amaningi kakhulu. Nami sometimes when I look back amaflop nami ngiwashayile, I sometimes ngibe bheke so ngithi into ngiyilungisa kanjani le. Kodwa I think we need to pick up ourselves, pick up the pieces and try to work these things out, and then life will be better. I think akuwona umhlaba lo esingathanda ukuthi siphile kuwo the way sungakhona, but sisasenalo ithuba lokuthi singalungisa. Siyabonga bafowethu.